Hey, what's up guys? Anzaldo back here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the 3 reasons why people fail when starting an online business. You know, maybe a lot of you guys have tried an online business or know someone that has and they failed. So these are 3 reasons why that might have happened to you or someone you know. Alright guys, so who feels like this? A piece of once in a while, especially when you fail something, you know, when you try, give it your best, you keep trying, and nothing seems to work. You might feel like this at times. I feel like that myself, you know. Anyways, so the 3 reasons people fail when starting an online business. So number 1, mindset. You know, they don't have the right mindset. When sometimes, you know, even myself, when I was getting started in online business, that was one thing that really messed me up, was my mindset. I didn't have the proper mindset for the things I was trying to do. I was basically trying to get rich overnight, how everybody usually starts out. You think it's gonna happen faster than it actually is. You don't think things take time. You want things quick. But you soon realize things don't work like that, and something worth building is gonna take a little longer, but it's gonna be really worth it at the end. All right, so number 2, lack of marketing knowledge. The proper mindset is required, but number 2, to follow that, is the proper knowledge on how to get your product or service out there. If you have the best product but nobody knows you, then it's not the best product. Best known will always be best product. You know, this could apply to your digital marketing agency, to your restaurant, to your mechanic shop, to your music. You know, if you're in the music industry, this can apply to anything you do. If you don't know how to promote yourself or your product or your service, you will not get the success you are looking for. Everything comes down to eyeballs, how much attention you have. Write that down, guys. Take some notes. And third, most importantly, not enough capital for ads. So if you have the right mindset and you have the right marketing knowledge, but you don't have the marketing budget, then you're not going to get anywhere. You know, one thing is to know it, the other thing is to apply it. If you don't apply the knowledge you have, then what's the point of having it, you know? Applied knowledge is key, not knowledge itself. So those are the 3 reasons people fail when starting an online business. I'm going to go over them one more time. Number 1, mindset. You must have the right mindset, but always remember this can be acquired, you know, through self-help books, motivational books, entrepreneurship books, online courses, digital products, ebooks, networking events, seminars. All these things help you get the right mindset for a business, especially in online business. Number 2, lack of marketing knowledge. This same thing applies as number 1. You know, in order to acquire this knowledge, you must learn from people that are actually doing it or have done it themselves. There's a lot of great teachers out there, and just start by simply Googling stuff. Use google.com to find everything you need. Ask away. Use YouTube search. All these things can help you out. Pick up a book, go to the library, start reading, stop going out, stay in a few more hours per week. Don't go and have that beer. Just stay in, study, and you will thank me later. And number 3, not enough capital. If you don't have enough capital, then go and accumulate that capital. Go build up, stack up. Go and get a second job if you have to. You know, maybe ask for a raise at your current job. Save, and once you have a good amount of money, throw it into your business. And slowly your business will start to take off. Alright guys, so that was it for today. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and remember, don't feel like this anymore. Subscribe. See you guys next time.